Hello, welcome to Math Companion. Now, to begin with, we are going to change the bases into fractions. Now, I have 1.25 here. It can also be written as 125 over 100. Now, simplifying this fraction, we are going to divide by 25 here and also 25 in the denominator, and our solution is going to be 5 over 4. Now, the next one is 0.64. 0.64 can be written as 64 over 100. And now trying to simplify this by dividing by 4, also by 4 over here, we are going to get 16 over 25. But 16 over 25 can also be simplified as 4 over 5 squared. Now we are going to rewrite the above equation using these new fractions that we have obtained. Now 5 over 4 into brackets 1 minus x is equals to 4 over 5 squared times 2 the square root of 1 times 2 into brackets 1 plus the square root of x. Now which is going to be equal to 5 over 4 this 1 minus x is equals to 4 over 5. So 2 times 2 is going to be equal to 4 into brackets 1 plus the square root of x. Now for us to simplify this further, we have to make the bases to be the same. Remember, so 5 over 4 is also equal to 4 over 5 raised to power negative 1. So therefore, we are going to rewrite 5 over 4 as 4 over 5 raised to power negative 1. So it is going to be 4 over 5 raised to the power of negative 1. And then we have 1 minus x. It's equals to all that we have on the right hand side, 4 over 5. And then over here you have 4 into brackets 1 plus the square root of x. Okay. All right. Now, because the bases are the same, they will simply cancel out. Now we are left with minus 1 into brackets 1 minus x. It's going to be equal to, opening the brackets over here, it's going to be 4 plus 4 the square root of x. And we can basically open the brackets here. It's going to be negative 1 plus x is equals to 4 plus 4 the square root of x. Alright, now we are going to say let the square root of x be equals to m. And one of the conditions is, because x is in the square root, the function the square root of x, obviously, the domain x is going to be greater than or equal to 0, and the range for this, which is just the same as m, is also going to be greater than or equal to 0. So the solutions that we are going to find for x and m, they have to be positive. All right, now next, therefore, we are going to rewrite the equation in terms of m. So minus 1 plus m squared is equals to 4 plus 4m. Reorganizing this, we are going to get m squared minus 4m and then minus 5 is equals to 0. Now we factorize this equation. We are actually going to find two numbers. When you add, you are going to get negative 4. When you multiply, you are going to get negative 5. The numbers are negative 5 and 1. And therefore the factors are m minus 1 plus 1, and m minus 5, which is equals to 0. Now here we know m plus 1 is equals to 0, and therefore m will be equals to negative 1. M minus 5 will be equals to 0, and therefore m will be equals to 5. Now, because we said m should not be a negative number, therefore this solution does not make sense. So we are going to work with this one here. Now we definitely know m is equals to 5, which means the square root of x is equals to 5. And therefore, by squaring both sides, x is equals to 5 squared, which is equals to 25. That is the answer for this equation. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please keep subscribing and click the notification bell. Alright, bye bye.